Michael Mann's Black Hat is an ambitious film that explores the dark world of cybercrime during a time when digital threats were become a serious global issue. Released while hacking scandals, financial breaches, and international cyber warfare began dominating news, the film presents itself as a modern thriller rooted in technological realism. Mann's unique visual style featuring digital cinematography, neon-lit cityscapes, and dynamic shooting techniques shape a story that combined high-stake hacking with action across the world. While the film had commercial struggle and received a mixed review, a closer look reveals an effort to illustrate how fragile and interconnected the digital world really is. It raises important questions about global security, cooperation among countries, and the link between virtual power and its real-world effects, giving viewers a cinematic experience that is visually impressive and intellectually stimulating. The story follows Nicholas Hathaway, played by the Chris Hemsworth, a talented hacker serving a long prison sentence of serious cybercrime with a devastating cyber attack triggered an explosion at the Chinese nuclear facilities. Hathaway is unexpectedly drawn back into the world of hacking. Chinese Captain Chen Dawei realized that the malicious code used in the attack is linked to programming he developed with Hathaway in college. He negotiates with the US authorities of Hathaway temporary release. However, Hathaway freedom comes with strict conditions. He must help both China and the FBI find the mastermind behind the attacks. This leads to a global manhunt with Hathaway. The way Sister Lin, a skilled a skilled network engineer traveling to various countries to stop further cybercrimes. As they dig deeper, they uncover that the cyber attack are part of a large financial scheme orchestrated by the sophisticated and dangerous enemy who combine digital infiltration with violent actions. One of the most engaging aspects of Black Hat is its focus on the digital vulnerability in today's world. Man shows how chaos can be unleashed with just a few lines of code, pointing out how dependent society has become on technology and the centralized systems. Power grids, financial markets, transportation networks, and even nuclear plants are portrayed as susceptible to unseen threats that operate quietly across the globe. Unlike the typical exaggerated depictions of the technology in Hollywood, Black Hat provides a realistic view of hacking featuring real programming tools, coding methods, and cybersecurity practices. These details reflect Command's commitment to accuracy and informed the consultation with the cybersecurity experts. The film highlights the unsettling idea that modern warfare is now defined not just by physical weapons, but also by the digital manipulation, where unseen criminals can cause chaos from their keyboard. This theme is reinforced by the frequent shift between on-screen code and real-world destruction, reminding the viewers that digital actions can lead to serious physical consequences. The film also looks at the tension and need for international collaboration in the face of global cyber threats. The relationship between US enforcement and the Chinese authorities is portrayed as a strained, filled with the political caution, conflicting priorities, and distrust. These interactions mirror real geopolitical issues regarding to cybersecurity, indicating that nations must work together even with the stories of rivalry. The characters face limitation, restricted information sharing, and political interference, showcasing the complicated landscape of global cyber diplomacy. Within this context, Hathaway becomes an unusual link between the two governments, a criminal whose expertise is vital, yet whose presence is met with suspicious. His developing relationship with Lina adds a human element to the otherwise cold and technical world of cyber investigation. The romance, subtle yet meaningful, provides emotional depth amid the film's tension-filled technological atmosphere. Man's direction is one of the film's standout features. His use of digital cameras captured nighttime setting with a sharp realism, drawing viewers into the vibrant street of Hong Kong, the gritty landscape of Los Angeles, and the bustling market of Jakarta. These international settings not only broaden the story but also reflect the global nature of cybercrime, which crosses borders and impacts society everywhere. Man's signature handheld cinematography creates a scene of urgency, especially during shootouts and case scenes. The action sequence, particularly the intense firefight in Los Angeles and the climactic showdown in Indonesia, with gritty realism, they rank among the film's most memorable moments, escalating tension and putting the narrative in real danger despite its digital foundation. The stylized sequence depicting circuits at the beginning of the film, while more artistic than literal, offer the symbolic insight into the hidden world Hathaway navigates. The performance in Black Hat significantly enhanced in emotional and narrative impact, as his appearance doesn't match the typical hacker stereotype. Nevertheless, Hemsworth adds unexpected depth, conveying Hathaway intelligence, guarded nature, and quest for redemption. Tang Wei brings quiet strength to Lin, portraying her as more than just love interest. She is a capable engineer whose skills are essential to the investigation. Lee Hung Wang delivers a strong performance as Chen Dawei, balancing loyalty and professionalism with his personal history with Hathaway. In conclusion, Black Cat is a visually impressive, thematically rich, and ambitiously crafted cyber thriller that seeks to connect digital warfare with real-world danger. While its pacing, complexity, and casting choices may not suit all the viewers, the film succeeds in offering a realistic and thought-provoking view of modern threats. Man's direction, combined with the strong performances from the cast, adds emotional depth and a global perspective to a story rooted in the contemporary technologies concerned. The movie serves as a reminder that the world is more interconnected and vulnerable than ever, that the greatest dangers may come not from physical enemies, but from invisible ones behind screens. Ultimately, Black Cat is an imperfect yet significant addition to the cyber thriller genre, offering a compelling perspective on the future of conflict, an era increasingly shaped by code, data, and digital power.